Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Deal Machine, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Deal Machine account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Deal Machine account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale operation, you know that having fresh data can help you close more deals. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Deal Machine website. It's dealmachine.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up the website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up and create a Deal Machine account, you just want to go ahead and enter in your email address right here. Alternatively, you can click on the Get Started button here on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, you can go ahead and create your account using your Google or your Apple sign-in, or you can do what I do and just enter in your first name, your last name, email address, and create a password. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, so once you've entered in the required information, click here on Create Your Account. Okay, immediately after, Deal Machine sends you a confirmation email, so you need to check that email and then use the verification code right here. Okay, after you do that, Deal Machine's going to take you through a series of questions to set up your account. So they're asking, what type of real estate business do you have? So go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you and then click on continue. Okay, now they're asking how I plan on using my Deal Machine account. So go ahead and choose whichever ones apply to you and then continue. Okay, now they're asking how many deals that you've done. Go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you. And lastly, they're asking how you found out about Deal Machine. Okay, so next you get to choose what type of plan you're going to sign up for. So from time to time, Deal Machine does have various promotions. So you can see right now they're doing a free trial for 7 days. However, you do need to elect a plan that's going to be charged after the free trial unless you cancel. So you can see with the starter plan, it's $99 per month if you bill it annually. So that's one user up to 10,000 leads, and you can export up to 10,000 leads per month. The cool thing about Deal Machine is they do include unlimited phone numbers, email addresses, and contact info. So if you're working in a team, then you probably want to go ahead and go with the Pro because you can get up to 3 users. That's going to be the biggest difference. Also, you can get up to 50,000 leads and 30,000 exports per month, but that really depends on the size of your wholesale operation. For me, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just choose the starter. Now, one thing I do want to let you know is this amount will bill immediately after your trial unless you cancel, like I said. So make sure that you've chosen correctly. If you want to do the yearly, it's going to bill for $1,190. If you want to do the monthly, all you're going to do is click on this little turquoise button right here, and you can see the price changes to $119 per month. So that way, after the trial, it's going to bill for $119 instead of the $1,200. So let me click on Start Free Trial. Okay, next they're going to give you an overview. So you get 7 days for free, and then after that, it's going to show you how much it's going to bill per month depending on the plan that you chose. So you do need to enter in your phone number and your credit card information. They're not going to bill you immediately, but they will automatically bill after your trial. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, so once you've entered in the payment information, go ahead and click on Start Trial. Okay, next Deal Machine's going to bring you through a couple of tutorial steps. So go ahead and choose whichever one applies to you. Okay, so I chose off market, and then I chose this particular zip code, and then I'm going to click on Build List. Okay, next they're going to pull up a couple of properties that you put together on the list. So you can go ahead and just click on one of them. Okay, also Deal Machine has this thing called Alma. So it's kind of like an AI assistant. So you can click here to analyze a particular property. Once you do that, it's going to ask what you're trying to do with the property. So you can choose whichever one applies. Okay, so next it's going to show you a little bit of information about that particular property you chose. So you can choose to upgrade to Pro, which is going to include the AI if you want. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click no thanks. Okay, here they're going to go ahead and give you an example of mailers that you can send directly through Deal Machine. So let me skip this. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Deal Machine account. So now I can go ahead and start building lists and searching for leads and contact information. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Deal Machine account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.